All right, next portion of the notes here. We've got a few different terms that really mean all the same thing. So zeros, roots, solutions, and x-intercepts. These are going to be where your polynomial equation is going to be equal to 0. So if you want to think of it as y equals, we'll go with one that we're familiar with, y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 10. And so I just made those numbers up. I don't know that they factor. I don't think that they do. But what we're looking for is the zeros and solutions. They're going to be where we have, so if I had negative 10, let's say that's down here, it's going to be off to the left and looking something like that. And again, just a sketch here, not anything super specific. But our roots, or our solutions, or our zeros, our x-intercepts, they all mean, again, the same thing, are where this graph is going to hit the y-axis, or in other words, where y is equal to 0. So where 0 equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 10. For your quadratic equations, like this one right here, which a quadratic is a type of polynomial, that we've got four different ways. You've got factoring, you've got taking the square roots when possible, and then your two methods that always work would be completing the square and using the quadratic formula. Now we're going to be getting into ones that aren't just quadratics. We're going to learn how to do cubic, quartic, and so on and so forth through a few similar methods like factoring. But we're looking for where those zeros and roots are. So again, that's where they hit the y-axis, where the x-axis, where the y value is 0. All right, hope that helped.